Every year, P.Louise drops the advent calendar that breaks the internet. Opinions are divided. There's always a controversy, and people have always got something to say about this advent because you know P.Louise can't do anything without everyone having an opinion. But we're going to unbox this advent calendar, and I'm going to tell you the tea. So let's get into it. There's 4 super cute little trailers, so that's under your Christmas tree would look so sick. I've tried to remain spoiler free, but let's see what's inside. So let's just pop these drawers open. Start off with number 1. Got a cleanser. Oh, we've got a cleanser. It's actually a full little mini of the Obsessed for Less skincare set. I love the Obsessed for Less. Travel size, ideal. And this is in glistening gumdrop. Let me smell the makeup remover. Oh, that smells so good. Thought it was going to be blue raspberry at first, but it's not. That's really nice. Like, I know people always say like, oh, skincare shouldn't have scent in it and stuff, but I really like the Obsessed for Less brand. I always use the jelly makeup remover and the cleanser as my perfect double cleanse, so I'm not mad at that at all. Right, day 2. Day 2, what have we got? Got a little festive makeup bag, super cute. Day 3 is also here. Got a new flavour of Bad Bee. This is in Hot Toddy. Let's give her a smell. I'll try the lip oil for scent. Each one gets you the lip oil and the lip conditioner, but you knew that already. Oh, that's nice. It smells kind of cinnamony, kind of lemony, very wintry. I can see why it's like a Marmite, but for me, I quite like this. Okay, let's look for number 4. There's also the little pickup truck, which doesn't have boxes, it has pouches. Is number 4 in here? Follow your guiding star. This is a lip liner trio. I do love the P.Louise lip liners, of course, and these colours are all like, let me see that close. They're all nude, so really wearable. I would say for a Christmas advent calendar, I do think a red could have been cute in here, or like a plum. However, I'm going to guess she's going by what shades sell the best. In the UK we like a nude, so I understand why. I see number 5 is in the little pickup truck, so let's see what's in number 5. Really cute idea. We've got a helping hand cream. This is in the style strawberry snowflake. I love the P.Louise hand cream, so better not let me down with this one. Oh my god, that smells so good. Let's look for number 6. I believe number 6 was in here. Yep. Looks like a palette, maybe? Eyeshadow palette. One thing P.Louise can do well is an eyeshadow palette, so this I'm sure will be good. I like the size, little cotton pack palette for anyone who moans about things being too big. That is a very nice neutral eyeshadow palette. It's got 1 row of mattes and 1 row of shimmers, so I think this is a very wearable palette. Whoever gets this in an advent will get a whole lot of use out of it, and that's what we love. We want to see products get used. This is a really cute one. Number 7 is up. Let's see what's in number 7. This is a big one. Right, so you know me, this P.Louise micellar water is my holy grail. I use it all the time. Always let's come out in cherry first. Love the cherry. Then she's done blue raspberry and grape. I like them too, but nothing's dethroned the cherry yet. But this one's Hot Toddy. Oh, it smells like lip oil. That's nice. Oh, I like that one. This one will be used, well used. Number 8, we've got Stardust Stopover Loose Pigments. So for all the people that say there's not enough makeup in these advents, she needs to go back to her roots, so you don't get more roots of P.Louise than a loose pigment. You've got like a really nice like bronzy, a gold, a silver, and an iridescent. So a really nice range. I'm not going to attempt to open these because this couch will get covered in them and Mark will kill me and we can't be having that. I need this fan on, it's so hot in my house today. Wow. So here we've got a Foam Fantasy. This is a Berry Blossom Breeze Luxurious Multi-Benefit Foaming Body Wash. Okay, let's give her a smell. Okay. This one is cute. I imagine it's going to be like a body version of the foaming face cleanser, so it'll lather up on the skin. I like this as a cute little pamper night essential. Okay, number 10 is over here. Let's see what's inside. Got a Pit Stop to Perfection. This is a brush set. How many brushes did you get in here? A 10-piece brush set. This is cute. I think, if I'm not wrong, they're red, so really cute different colours for P. I love a P.Louise brush. I love a P.Louise brush. P.Louise brush sets always slap, so this is a really good one to have in here. For number 11, next 11. One more sleeping mask set. Oh, so it's the face sleeping mask and the lip sleeping mask. Oh my god, that's so clever. That's a little gift set. Blue raspberry's iconic flavour. I don't think the facial sleeping mask ever came out in blue raspberry on its own yet, so this could be new, but cute little skincare set. Right, then let's look at number 12, see what we've got in number 12. We've got Passenger Princess. Paige, did you name this after me? Because you know I'm the ultimate passenger princess. A lipstick palette. Okay, let's see. I'm going to hope this is all nudes to go with the nude lip liners. That would be a slay idea. Oh, we've got a little cute brush. And a really, really nice array of colours. We've got plums and reds and nudes. A nice mixture. So that's why I do kind of low-key wish the lip liner set had maybe like a burgundy red. So like obviously there's 12 different lip colours here. It'd be nice if one of the lip liners did these 4, one did those 4, and one did those 4. So like a nude, maybe like a plummy nude, and then a red would have been a really nice option. Gorgeous lipstick palette nonetheless. Right, number 13 unlucky for some. Is it unlucky for me? Once Upon a Line Cruise Control Pen. Eyeliner pencils, oh my god. She did these last year and they were so nice. Right, let's see what colours we've got. We've got a nice nude, a black, paler nudes. Oh, these are good. Is that a grey? There's like 2 nudes, a black, a grey, or a dark brown. I can't quite see. And then we've got a white and a brown. So we've got a nice little array of like neutral eyeliner pencils. Really, really cool. I have tried these last year when she did them in another advent. And the formula of them is really nice. And if you're a neutral lover, again, this will go really nicely with the eyeshadow palette. So I think this will be good to do a full look with. I think you'll have everything you need to do a full look with this palette. Let's look for number 14. I'm sure I've seen 14 a minute ago. We've got Ready Set Slay, my favourite setting spray. And this is a... Has it got a shimmer through it? Berry Blossom Breeze, but it does look like it's got a really slight little sparkle or shimmer through it, which I'm not always a fan of in a setting spray. Does it have a scent? Slight scent to it. It smells fruity. Now, I do love the P.Louise setting spray. I always think P kills when it comes to setting sprays. Personally, I don't love a shimmery setting spray, but I know lots of people do. Now let's look for 15. 15 is here. Fabric pouch again. What's this? Carve Your Christmas. Let's see what we've got in here. Is it bases? Bases or coloured bases? Okay, very good. We've got three new shades of the base. So we've got a baby pink, a nice warm brown, and a dark brown. So I love a warm brown smoky eye, so I'll definitely get use out of this. And then Sweet 16 is staring me right in the eye. I can see it in this little thing. So let's see what we've got in number 16, my loves. Oh, these are the what I've been waiting for. Right, I have seen Paige tease these, and I was like, okay, these I'm gonna love. 2 of the Sparkle and Swipe. So these are those little kind of like jelly sticks that you've been seeing everywhere. Like they kind of go on like a shimmer topper for your eyes. I don't know if it's going to focus. It's got a nice little sheen and sparkle. Do you see that? So cute little eyeshadow topper. I think that these are perfect for little Christmas nights. That also makes sense why the palette is more like mattes and darker shimmers. You can use these in tops. I'm trying to think, right, because I have seen a lot of the conversation online about this advent and people have been like, not sure. But like, I think this has been done very intentionally to give you like a bit of skin prep and a bit of body care, and then a full look. Right, 16, 17. Let's see what's next. Right, so let's look for number 17. What have we got in here? Maybe a palette? What's this? Root to Radiant Shimmer Blush Palette. Oh, whole lot of kind of shimmery. We've got a nice little range of shimmery blushes like pinks and peaches. Nice little variety to play with. I think for a makeup artist for your kit, this will be gorgeous. Okay, let's look for number 18. So number 18 is next. Let's see what we've got here. Moisture from Miles Lip Balm and Scrub. Lip Balm and Scrub. Also, it's like the Bad Bee Lip Balm. What scent is this? Saucy Cranberry. I do like these little lip balms. And oh, I wish everything smelled like that in the collection because this is gorgeous. The scent of this is nice, but I like the fact that not everything smells like one thing in this. Like, I know people will say, like, oh, I don't like this smell, I like that smell, but in previous years, when she's done like one scent through the whole collection, people, if you don't love that scent, then you don't like the whole advent. So it's nice to mix it up and try different ones. However, this cranberry one, oh, that's cute. It's like a little teeth. So you can use it as a little, oh, that's cute. I need to try it. My lips are so dry right now. So this, we need to try it out. I think what actually might be quite nice is doing a full face of makeup using this advent. So watch this space coming to a screen near you. Now, what's inside number 19? Let's have a look and see what's in number 19, baby. We've got Glow Serum Primer. Let's see what this bad boy is up to. So, Instant Radiance Boost Glow Primer. It smells like a hand cream. It's got a little bit of a glow to it. It's nice, but I would say I wouldn't use this as a primer. But this is the kind of thing I would have used back in the day to like mix into foundations to make it more dewy. Now let's get to number 20. Here the bag period. Got Brow Trick for brows that goes different. Brow Sculpt. Paige. Don't tease me with this. Right, I like the packaging of this. I like how it's big and chunky. That's a really nice component. Now, I love the P.Louise Brow Balm on the go, so I don't know if this is going to compare. It's got a cool little wand if you want to get in and coat your hair. I'll need to give this a try because I know it's going to be hard for me to top the ones that I like from P.Louise. I love the brow balm on the go. So I'll have to give this a try and see how it performs on my brows. I've done my brows already. I'll try it right now. We're going to look for 21. Oh, we've got some new cheek of it. Okay, we've got cheek of it, Tender Touch and Pinky Promise. You've got like a, what looks like kind of burgundy and then a peach. Pale pink. They could be cute actually. Now let's look for 22. The last year in here I think for 22. The 22 is a little sheet mask. That's super cute. Christmas, no, you do your Christmas Eve tan on the 23rd, so you could use that on the 23rd. Have a nice tan and nice December Christmas Eve. Perfect. Let's go into number 23. Got a dry new balmy, and this time it's in marzipan. 2 lip balms in this, so perfect for dry lip season. Marzipan is a Marmite scent. Let's see. Oh, I tell you this, Mark Sinclair's gonna look like a seal of a Battenberg. It's gonna love that, innit? 24 was here if I recall. We're getting a trio of false lashes. So P does these trios really well. You've got like 3 different kind of wispy gappy styles, which I think will be perfect. And then 25 is this big one here. And so Christmas Day she feels big. She's a beast. Oh my god, it'll be oh my god, it's got like a truck. The truck inside moves. Oh wow, packaging never misses, honey. Right, let's see what we've got inside, my love. This is the Destination Diaries, and this is a palette with a bow. So you've got a classic neutral palette. I don't know if these lights are going to pick this up as well, but the shimmers in this are popping off. Then we've got, oh clever, you've got a palette with half cream and half powder bronzers, which I think is really nice. Half cream and half powder blushes. And then again, half cream, half powder, and this time it's highlighters. This I'm actually really pleasantly surprised with because when I first opened it and I seen the cool tone eyeshadow, I was like, what the hell? But this is cute. After unboxing the full Advent, I will say I'm actually pleasantly surprised. You know, people, when it comes to P.Louise, there's always a controversy and there's always people are going to have their opinions one way or the other. And with P.Louise, if you say you like things, you're part of the cult. If you say you don't like things, you're looking to get views and clout by using the P.Louise name because it always guarantees clicks and views because you know you're that bitch when you cut that conversation, period. From a makeup point of view, I'd say it is a neutral theme, so all makeup in the Advent does match. So you could build a whole cohesive look that all matches really nicely. I know that with the skincare, people are a bit like, I want more makeup, but you've got 25 doors to fill. There's only so much makeup you can put in here, and I feel like they could have easily charged the same price, spread out all the items in here. So for example, the 6 pencils could have been split into 6 doors. And people, and the 3 lip liners could have been split into 3 lip liners. And everything that came in dual packs and triple packs could have been split up to fill the gaps and make up all makeup. But then people wouldn't, they weren't getting enough for their money. So when it comes to doing these Advents, people can't really win. However, I think when people are saying they want more or a certain vibe, they want less skincare, more of this, less of that, that's totally valid. However, I think personally, what you get in here is a really nice selection of products. You've got makeup, you've got skincare, you've got eyes, face, lips, you've got new brow products, you've got a lot of skincare, a lot of lip care. That's the things that probably are best sellers for P.Louise in different scents and different formulas. I also really like the fact that it's not one scent throughout the whole collection. Like when she did the whole Fluffy Pancakes collection last Christmas, people weren't really buzzing for it. When she did the gingerbread 2 years ago, and people were a bit like, so it's a nice variety. So it means if you don't like the scent of the items, you're not getting the same item scent and everything. So it's a nice way to mix it up. Personally, I think this Advent calendar is really cute. You can't please everyone, but I think this is great. So another slay queen piece.